Hey Betty Besties, welcome back. If you don't know us, I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Haley.
And we do subscription box unboxing. So today we have the Crazy Cat Lady Box, Air Fresheners, the Brat Box, a Nail Shack, and Earfleek. So let's get started. So we're going to get started today with the Brat Box because Haley has been very excited because this is supposed to be Halloween themed. We don't know, but we're hoping that everything that is in these boxes is Halloween themed, so we will find out.
So the Brat Box is $30 a month if you get Brat Box Plus, which I do. And it comes with 4 pins or 3 pins and 1 patch. So every month they send you 4 new pins, and I always pay for extras because I like seeing all the different themes. And in this Be Less Boring envelope, they always send you information cards about the artists because these are all independent artists and they like supporting independent artists.
It looks like you got stickers.
Yes, so we have this sticker that says "Let go of toxic people."
Bye!
Okay, and then we have a "Hit Me Baby One More Time" pin with a little wine bottle, it looks like.
I'm not sure how that's Halloween themed other than it's purple and black.
Here are the Halloween themed ones. I got 4 Halloween themed and then 4 not Halloween themed.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got a lot then.
Yeah. So this is, I like this one.
Yeah, it's cool. It's very teenager. I like it.
Okay, this one says "Throw the whole man away."
Bye! Alright, that's 2 for the bye pile.
And this one is "Dancing with Myself," and it looks to be a little record.
I like it. Very 80s.
So now is our Halloween ones. This one reminds me a lot of the ghost challenge that's going around right now.
There's a ghost chat. What is that?
So it's you put on a gown, not a gown, like a sheet, and dress up like a ghost, and then you just take a bunch of pictures like that, and you add filters and stuff, and
you're not going to work like that or anything. It's just for the gram.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. But it's you basically dress up like this, and then you just take a bunch of pictures. This looks like a pointer for an Ouija board.
Yes, it does. I was thinking a guitar pick. But whatever.
It's because of the hole.
I get it, yeah.
This one is adorable.
Gumball. It's like a Halloween gumball with candy corn in it. That's cute. That is really cute.
That is cute. Oh, a kitty. It's drinking a little cup of fish.
It looks like it's smoking something it shouldn't be smoking. But I'm just throwing that out there.
It's a high cat. Okay. And then I will be listing all of these artists with their pins.
Okay, so moving on to Fresh Fresheners, you get 4 air fresheners for $12.99, and I'm hoping that these will be Halloween themed. Oh, look at that! Surprise myself. Okay. So we have a donut, which Haley will probably steal, in jasmine scent. A pineapple in ocean breeze. It has sunglasses. I thought I was seeing things. Oh, I like this one a lot. This is my style. In the black diamond scent. And the last one is a puppy doggy in cute. Vanilla scent. Very cool. I will let you know how that goes. I mean, it's up to you. If you like this kind of aesthetic, if you like having different kinds of air fresheners in your car, not knowing what the scent is going to be, but who cares, right? If your car is smelly, you just reach for anything, right?
Yeah. This is Nail Shack Pack. It is $12.95 a month. It comes with 4 unique styles every month. It doesn't have a dry time because they're stick-ons. It also comes with a nail file and a pick.
And we're hoping they're Halloween themed. Yeah, they look maybe
I
okay,
think they could fit
you know.
Halloween. Oh, I love these
So we've
ones.
got these swirly black and whites that are pretty dang cute, I think.
Then we have like a reddish marble type.
And I feel like this could be like a fire theme if you have a costume that would go with fire.
And I love this one the most.
I do too, actually.
It is just so cute.
A little heartbeat.
Yeah,
You
do
can't
you
see
have,
that.
like-
Does it has a heart on one? Does it say love? Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
I think that would be cute if you were dressing up as like a nurse or something.
Or you could wait till Valentine's Day, whatever floats your boat, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Moving on to the cat lady box, which may or may not be Halloween themed. We're gonna find out. But so they have a cat lady box for $34.99, which gives you 3 to 4 items for you, or the crazy cat lady box, which gives you 3 to 4 items for you and 2 items for your cat. So let's find out what they sent us all. This is the inside of the box. Got a little card here.
Nope, it's Halloween.
It's another one you can decorate with. I like that. It looks like it has, on the back, it looks like it has maybe price items.
Yes. They do
Okay.
have price items. Well, this is definitely Halloween.
Yeah,
themed.
this is Halloween themed. So you got your little black kitty with a little ghost cat outfit on. That is really cute. I like her little tail.
Oh wait, it's a unicorn.
Does it say she has catnip?
I
I think they both have catnip when they send these. And this is just a cute little kitty cat Halloween pumpkin. Love that.
it's a meownicorn catnip cat toy. So yes, it has catnip in it.
Ooh, this is really soft, whatever this is.
It is.
Look what they sent you. Show the camera.
Oh my goodness! I wonder if I can wear these to work.
I don't think that's gonna fit in here. Okay, I know that this could actually be for either the cat. Haley's obviously gonna steal it, but it's actually as soft as one of those. What do they call them? Squishmallows. It's like a black cat squishmallow. It is really soft and super adorable. Yeah, Haley's gonna steal that. And then a little cat shirt. Oh, I like this. Look,
Oh, that's so cute.
it's just a cute little window cat, black cat in the window. Very nice.
Oh, did you open this one?
No, I haven't yet. Haley's very happy with her little gold cat ears. And the last thing in the box is this cute little kitty cat bracelet.
Oh, that
Which
is adorable.
I personally do think it's adorable too. And it's obviously for smaller wrists. Oh no, it could easily be for bigger wrists. It's got plenty of room there. You can stretch it out. Very cute. Super happy with this box. Is Earfleek, which is $3.49 a month. It is almost the cheapest box that you can get, or subscription, I shouldn't say box. Basically, if you just want to get something in the mail every month, or you want to send something to your grandkid every month, or any of those things, I think Earfleek is perfect. So you just get a piece of jewelry at random. It could be any pair of earrings, any theme, any type, any style. You have no idea what's coming your way. But for $3.49 a month, I think you could make your grandkid very, very happy every month. Those are cute. Oh, I like those a lot. I feel like they could go with a lot of different things.
Yeah, they're cute.
I like the green. Not exactly Halloween themed, but they could definitely go with a
witchy
sorceress or a witch or basically anything, right?
Yeah.
So I liked everything in the boxes. How about you?
Oh, I loved them.
I feel
They were
like
great.
maybe they weren't necessarily all totally Halloween themed, but all of them could easily be used for Halloween in some way, shape, or form.
Yeah, they were
For your
great.
cat decorating around your house. I like that they're giving you floor decor for your cat. So if you have any boxes that you'd like to see, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. And in the meantime, you guys have a great day.
Bye.